Global NCAP has announced the crash test results of the facelifted Tata Tiago hatchback and Tigor compact sedan. The Tata Duo fared between a 4-star rating for adult occupancy and a 3-star rating for child occupancy. The results were announced on the day the Tiago and Tigor facelifts went on sale. In the terms of adult occupancy protection, the Tata Tiago and Tigor scored 12.52 out of a maximum of 17. The model's body shell integrity was rated unstable and not capable of withstanding further loading, with a particular mention of the footwell area, though protection for the front passenger's head and neck was rated good. While neither the Tiago nor the Tigor get ISOFIX seat mounts or 3-point seat belts at the rear, the model still earned 3-star rating for child occupancy. Excessive forward movement was prevented for the forward-facing 3-year-old dummy, while protection for the 18-month-old dummy was considered good. Standard safety kit across the Tiago and the Tigor lineup includes dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, front seat belt pre-tensioners, and rear parking sensors. This test on the Tata Tiago and Tigor was a part of Global NCAP's recent Safer Cars for India campaign.